Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining me for another project day today. Oh, something's on my camera. Hold on. So today we're going to be doing a bathroom makeover. This is an older home, so we got some wallpaper on the wall, so we got to get rid of that first and then paint and do some other little things. So of course I'll bring you guys along with me. So let me show you what we're starting with, and then we'll just get started. Alright, so right off the garage here, this is the bathroom. It's a small half bath, but the house I believe was built in the 70s. So of course we got wallpaper. That was the decor of choice back then. So we're going to start by removing this and sprucing it up just a little bit. Alright, y'all, so it is 3 hours later and we're struggling. That is all that we've gotten done. So like I told y'all from the beginning, the house is pretty old, built in the 70s, I believe, and it is just sticking like crazy, and on some spots you see it's actually pulling some of the top of the sheetrock off. So what we've decided to do, of course, we're going to repair this. We are going to mud it and sand it and get it back smooth again, but then we're actually going to paint over the wallpaper instead, and I'll show you guys what products we'll use to do that, and then that'll just make it a lot easier, a lot simpler. And it'll still look really nice. You won't see the wallpaper at all, and that'll just be a more time-effective way to do the job. So, hey guys, so we are back for day 2, and I'm feeling much better today about our project here in the back. I spoke with a friend of mine, and he gave me everything that we needed to be able to go ahead and paint over this wallpaper. Of course, before we do that, we're going to have to mud in the areas there. See the big brown area? So of course we'll mud that in and then sand it down and get it all smooth again, but we will be able to paint over it, which is a much better, I think it's a much better solution, because one, we already have a smooth surface and we won't have to do a lot of wall repair. So that'll be good, and it's going to save us, oh my goodness, hours and hours of time. So right now, Antonio is about to take the sink off, and then we're going to get started. Alright, so the bathroom is prepped, everything is down, and now we are about to mix some sheetrock mud. This is 20-minute, yeah. This is 20-minute quick light, a quick set sheetrock time. So basically once we put it on the wall, it should dry within 20 minutes, which is good, because sometimes you have to wait 24 hours and we don't got time for that. Show y'all my mudding game is on point. Put it on and smooth it out. Okay. All right, y'all, so we're finally ready to start this the painting, well, priming and painting portion. So this is what we got. It's called Extreme Block Stain Blocking Primer Sealer, and this is an oil-based primer. So you see Tonio is prepping up with gloves and just lining our paint bucket there. He said that the brushes we're probably gonna have to throw away because I guess cleaning up oil base is kind of difficult. But yeah, that's what we're about to do. So we have, let y'all see me. Okay, here I am. So we have we mudded, we sanded, it's smooth now. So we're gonna go in and prime it. It said this should take about 30 minutes to an hour or so to dry, and then we can paint and install. All right, y'all, so this is the primer. I know it almost looks like a paint color. It almost looks blue. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it almost looks blue. But let me tell you what they did to it for me. It comes white, but they put a little bit of black in it to tint it, to make sure that it covered well, so we won't have a lot of bleed through from the designs on the wallpaper. So yeah, it looks kind of bluish gray to me. You can't see that?
I see it. It looks more gray than blue.
Yeah, but yeah, it is not a wall color. It is a primer. What's up, family? So we are back for the final day of install. So we've been here for about 3 days, mainly because the wallpaper situation kind of set us back, but now that we know what to do, we good. So let me show you. I painted everything up yesterday. I painted the ceiling and did the walls, freshened up the baseboards. So now we are ready to go. I think it looks really good, and from now on we'll know what to do when it comes to older homes and wallpaper. We'll just do the oil-based primer and then paint. So we're gonna go ahead and start the install of the vanity and the things that are gonna go on the wall, and then we're gonna be up out of here.
Be fine.
All right, you guys, we're finally done. So let's go see how it turned out.